St. Alfred Hall at St. Vincent College in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. This one's a Schindler 330A new install. This one was originally a Dover or something, but was modernized into a Schindler HXpress. On the same controller. Yeah, older door track, different, older ceiling, well, older thingy there. Redone cab, or maybe it's not redone. So yeah, the CRP is definitely different. This one's definitely a mod. The other one's a new install. I don't know why the foam goes up. The four here go up. This one's definitely more interesting than the other one, because the other one's a new install, just basic 330A. I think the other one had a bigger capacity too. This one I think is smaller. Less capacity. Definitely lower ceiling. Bounce. 4. I think this just has a GAL operator. Oh yeah, it has the original Dover Blue airlock. Go back on the ground. We got some Dover squeaks there. It's a basic redone cab, but it's a little weird. I think that's the original railing though. This is interesting. The other one's a lot more boring than this one. Not gonna even bother filming the other one. Ground. Oh, someone called it. Or no, I just do that because it didn't light up. Let's see what happens. It's an Hoist door. Yeah, just do it. Alright, that's it.